Okay, a means of making a long piece of rope shorter. I find this really important as a canoeist. I do anyway, because I use quite a bit of rope, and having lots of rope trailing around the bottom of the boat is not particularly good. It's things that can get tied up into. So what we do is we make a loop, and then all we're going to do is take a bite of rope, which is basically making another loop, and push it through. Take another bite of rope or loop, push it through. Another, 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 and to lock it off, take the end of the rope and just feed it through that last one, and basically that locks everything into place. If I'm out, if that's tied on the boat while I'm driving, that's great, it'll stay in place. If I'm out on the water, I don't want it in the lock position. I want it to be able to come undone when I want it to come undone. It stays like that unless you put some pressure on. So I'm just going to take this last loop out. So as you can see, it stays in place. It's not going anywhere. If I put some pressure on it and pull this rope, it starts to unravel, making a long piece of rope short. I call this a daisy chain. Thank you.